Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide text message in your Android phone. At first you have to download Google Message app in your phone. You can see in my phone it's already installed. So just open up your Message app. Then you have to set it as default Message app. Now from here you cannot hide any text message, but you can archive it. If you want to hide this text message, just touch and hold it. And at the top you can see a icon which is archived option. Then just tap here and you can see it's archived successfully. That means your text message is hidden now. If you want to find this hidden text message, just tap on this profile icon and here you can see archived option. Then just tap here and that's it. On the archive list you can find your hidden text message. If you want to unhide it, just touch and hold it, then tap on this unarchived option, then go back, and that's it. And that is how you can hide text message in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.